3 in 4 local lawyers choose to leave practice within the first 10 years, and Singapore's Law Society intends to find out why. This was revealed by the president of the society at the opening of the new legal year today. And there was another surprise as well, with no senior counsel being appointed for the very first time.
There are now more than 4,500 local lawyers practicing in Singapore after the number of lawyers here exceeded the 4,000 mark for the first time in 2012. But there was a strikingly low number of practitioners in the middle category, which refers to those with between 7 and 12 years of post-qualification experience.
It is, of course, entirely possible that young lawyers may have left practice to try their hand at other legal jobs. For instance, in-house or working with the courts or working at MinLaw or with the AGC. We need to find out why they left and what is it that is attractive about other industries or unattractive about legal practice, about private practice in the legal profession that makes them leave and not come back to us.
A surprise to many in the law fraternity was the fact that no senior counsel was appointed this year. Channel News Asia understands that this is the first time in 17 years this has happened, since the first batch was appointed in 1997.
This year, the committee found that while a number of candidates were meritorious in several respects, none as yet sufficiently met this criteria to warrant appointment.
One of the considerations to be appointed senior counsel is the track record of pro bono engagements. And to help sustain pro bono programs financially, the Law Society says a committee will be set up to consider and plan for a fundraising activity. The aim is also to ensure that all Singaporeans, including those with lower incomes, have access to legal services. It was also announced that the Attorney General's chambers will provide legal representation services to the whole of the public sector, including statutory boards. The AGC previously only handled government-related affairs, such as cases involving ministries. It will start with taking on board judicial review cases made against statutory boards and civil penalty cases enforced by the Monetary Authority of Singapore.